Hello! Hello to my subscriber. I just wanna say thank you to all for subscribing and commenting, liking my videos. I love you all, guys. Thank you so much for supporting me. Mwah. So for today's video, guys, as you can see, I'm so addicted sa mango. Kaya this is the last harvest, I think. And it's just mampa lang, guys.
Kailan pa ito maghinog? Malapit na, baka bukas susunod pa na araw.
So, ayun na nga, guys. Diba nakaraan, pagkuha ko dito, ang dami pang medyo hinog-hinog. And ngayon, wala na. And kinainan na, guys. Siguro may mga napadaan, kumuha, ganyan. Kasi, guys, alam nyo, napakasarap ng mampalang. It's a native mango na kapag hindi siya hinog, sobrang asim niya. But it's okay. Pero kapag ano na siya, hinog, ang sarap-sarap niya, besh. At ayun, naglibot-libot kami para makahanap pa. Pero mayroon pa naman, madami-dami pa. Pero ang taas-taas nila, guys. Like, you need panungket, diba? Just like that. They are so hinog na. And I love it. So, please enjoy my video. You can see naman, guys, how I love mango so much. Parang nakagagana siya kasi siya kumain. And right now, guys, yung boses ko ay so kasi I'm not feeling well, guys. I'm so sick this past few days. So, bear with me. Charot. So, ayun na nga, guys. Lahat susuungin para lang makakuha ng mango. And I'm sorry, tabi-tabi sa mga ninuno. Tabi-tabi po. Sorry po sa pag-storm. Pero, I want mango so much. So, ayun na nga, guys. Nagsungkit-sungkit lang. And, mabibigla kayo kasi ang dami pa rin naming nakuha. 2 plastic. Oh my gosh. Amazing talaga. Bait-bait ni Lord. So, ayun na nga. Enjoy. And thank you so much again for subscribing and liking, commenting. I love you all, guys. Bye.
Is this new? No. Is this? Saan ba yun kanina dito? And kahit may mga nagnakaw, look at that. It's so amazing. Wow. Mango! I love mango. Ang Indian mampalang. And look at me. Natusok. Let's go! That's it for today. Hey Mango, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I love you guys. There's a lot pa, guys. Pero yun, guys, may mga ano pa, pero it's so high. So bye. Bye Mango. Thank you.